Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you're all doing well and having a fantastic day. Today I have a Cherryz haul for you. I've just had a massive delivery. This huge box, I can't even lift it up. Let's have a look. This huge box from Cherryz delivered to my door. Now I placed this order about 2 days ago and it's already arrived on my doorstep. And I'm so excited to show you what I got from Cherryz. Now I've ordered £50 worth of items. Cherry kindly gifted me a £50 voucher and that £50 voucher went a long way. I think I've got something like 32 items to show you today. So I've got a mixed bag, well I've got a mixed box of items. So there's some cleaning products in there for sure. There's some food, some snack items. Also, I think I've got 1 or 2 items for our garden and just some other miscellaneous items that you can actually find on Cherryz. So if you guys haven't heard about Cherryz before, Cherryz is like your Poundland, your B&M, your Home Bargain, your budget stores all under one roof, and it's an online store. So you can order using the app or you can order using the website. So I've actually got a discount code for you which I will disclose to you a little bit later. That discount code will give you a whopping 25% discount on your first order using the Cherryz app. So please do watch the video to the end to get that discount code. I'm going to pull it up on the screen throughout the video and you can use that to get your 25% of your first order using the app. Okay, so let's get into this box and see what I've actually got this time round from Cherryz. So I've opened the box and I'm seeing lots of goodies in there. Now some of these I actually forgot that I even ordered them, even though I ordered them 2 days ago. Now it's funny because I went grocery shopping yesterday and I was actually going to buy a packet of these from another store and I actually forgot that I ordered these from Cherryz. So I'm so happy to see these at the top of the box. So yeah, so these are a large packet of Sensational Crisps. And these are in the sweet chili flavour. We absolutely love these. This is like an evening snack for myself and hubby. Oakley actually likes them as well, you know, but he would have like a big glass of water with it because they are a little bit spicy for him, but he does like them, you know. So yes, I've got that. So next up, I got this packet of Cadbury's 12's chocolate. So you get 5 packets there, 5 little single sticks for £1, okay. Now, I'm not going to say the prices of the other items because what I can tell you, I think I said it before, all of this came up to £50. I used the £50 voucher very wisely and I think I went over by maybe £1. But you can go onto the Cherryz app and check the prices for yourself. But all of this that I'm going to show you is like £51, which is just absolutely amazing. Okay, so next up, more snacks. So I picked up 1 sachet of this Ainsley Harriet Moroccan Melody couscous and I absolutely love this. This I would have for lunch with some salmon or some mackerel. It goes down a treat. Absolutely delicious. So yeah, 1 packet of those. Okay, I also picked up some biscuits. So this is Mcvitty's coconut rings. These are just absolutely delicious. You can't always find these in the supermarket, these coconut rings. So Cherryz stock them, guys. So you know, stock up on them while you can, because I remember these coconut rings when they first came out back in the day. It was the big old craze, wasn't it? You know, but so delicious. So yeah, I've got a large packet of these from Cherryz as well. Okay, so I'm gonna do it in order. So it looks like I'm taking out the snacks first. Okay, so yes, lovely delicious Turkish delights, fries Turkish delights. You get a pack of 3 in there and I think these were £1 or something like that. Okay, so next up I got these Lion's Jam tea cakes. Absolutely love these. I think these were on offer in Cherryz if I remember rightly. You can get 2 packets of these for £1 or £1.20. So rather than get the 2 packets, I think I got the coconut rings and I got this, which was the £1 or the £1.20. Don't quote me on that, guys. Do have a look at the website. All the prices are on there very clear. You know, but to give you an idea, it's the similar prices as what you will get in the budget stores, but your order is delivered directly to your home, which is just absolutely amazing. It's a win-win-win situation. Okay, so next up, let's look for some more food bits. I picked up these triple tins of Heinz baked beans, and you know what, I do like this size of baked beans because Oakley doesn't really like baked beans. Hubby doesn't mind them, but I would tend to have like a jacket potato with cheese and baked beans, or I would have tuna, beans, and what do I have? I have tuna, beans, and sweet corn. Now, I know it's a bit of a combination on a jacket potato, but trust me guys, it tastes very delicious and it's quite healthy as well. So I prefer to have these smaller cans because when I open the larger can, I always have to save some in the fridge. And when I do put it in the fridge, I tend to forget about it and then it goes to waste. So these smaller cans, they might not be cost effective in money-wise. In terms of food waste, this is a winner for me. So it's a triple pack of Heinz baked beans. Let's look for some more snacks. Deep down in the box. What have we got? Oh, yes. These are for little Oakley. So I got him a packet of Haribo Gold Bears. Now he absolutely loves these, you know. So yeah, got one pack of those and those were £1. Okay. Next up, looking for some more snacks. So yes, I had to get a packet of these, which is the Drumsticks Squishies. Absolutely love these. This is a 160 gram packet as well, and I think this was £1. Okay, so just a few more snacks, then I can show you the other bits and bobs that I got from Cherryz. Okay, so I got these. Now, I actually prefer these to the ones that I just showed you before. The tea cakes. I do actually prefer these because this has got the coconut in it. These are so delicious. So these are the Lion's Coconut Mellows. So you get 6 of them. And again, I think if you buy 2 of these together, you get it for like £1 or £1.20. You know, you can mix and match them. So yeah, really delicious these are. I absolutely love these. So I also picked up a packet of 6 Milky Way bars for little Oakley. This is Oakley's favourite chocolate. He absolutely loves these. He doesn't really eat much. He doesn't really eat much chocolate or sweets, you know. But those Haribo Gold Bears are his favourite, and these Milky Way bars. So yep. So I got these as well from Cherryz, and I think this was £1. Same price as you will pay, like I said, in your budget stores, but you're getting everything delivered to your door. Okay. Now I'm going to show you some of the cleaning products that I got this time from Cherryz. There is quite a lot. I've actually done a top up of my cleaning products, and there's some new ones that I'm willing to try as well. So the first one that I'm willing to try is this Pink Stuff Miracle Cream Cleaner. Now I haven't actually tried, I have tried Pink Stuff products before, but not this cream cleaner. I normally use the Cif one, but I thought I'd give this a try as I've heard so many good reviews about this. So, ooh, don't know what that smells like actually. It doesn't actually smell that great, but I've seen people using this and they've got some really good results from it. So yeah, so I've got that, and I think that was £1 actually. I can remember that being £1. Okay, just put these down on the floor. Okay, so I also picked up Glow White Dr. Beckman. So this is for putting into your washing machine with your white, and this is £1. So you get 3 sachets in there, and this works a dream. I'm actually losing space where to put things. There's so much in here. So I also ordered these Green Shield Antibacterial Household Surface Wipes. You get 70 wipes in there, and you know they kill 99.9% of germs. I also ordered these color control sheets. Now these are absolutely brilliant for putting into your washing machine. If you have mixed colors of clothes and you're a bit concerned about the color running into each other, pop one of these in your washing machine and you're good to go. It also saves on washing because you can put like loads of clothes into the washing machine at one time without having to separate them. You know, of course, you're not going to put in the whites with your bright red bed sheet or something like that, but you know, you get the idea. You can put like your lights and your darks together without the color running into each other. Okay, so these are absolutely brilliant. This is one of my favorite cleaning products, you know. Well, not really cleaning products, but you know what I mean. So I got that. Okay, so next up, oh, I just found a box of Maltesers. So another snack there, a box of Maltesers. I didn't really get too many snacks, did I, this time around? I'm really trying to be quite healthy, but this would last us. Plus we've got like a few we've got our summer fair coming up. We've got like picnics in the park, and we've also got like a school journey. So Oakley's going to be bringing like some packed lunch with him, so those would also be sort of divided out for the packed lunches. So back to the cleaning products, I think so, yeah. So I picked up these 2 packets of Minky grill and pan scrubbers, okay, double-sided. So I was thinking, even though these are for grill and pan, they are quite soft, okay, they're quite soft. I'm just going to have them, I'm going to cut it in half and then just have it on my dish drainer and just use it as a dish sponge. I also picked up this packet, or I would say it's a medium packet of Fairy Platinum all-in-one dishwasher tablets. So you get 25 tablets in there, okay. So I also picked up a packet of these bathroom wipes. This is green shields as well. You get 70 wipes. These are bathroom surface wipes, and these smell absolutely gorgeous. You know, like you got some cleaning products that can smell quite harsh, quite chemically. This smells really lovely, lovely, pleasant, kind of floral kind of scent. Yeah, and you know, perfect for the bathroom just to have them on the side. And again, they kill 99.9% of bacteria. So yes, I've got that as well. I also got a refill for my Dishmatic. So you get 3 Dishmatic sponges in there. And I think these were £1, okay. I also got this bottle of washing up liquid. Fairy, the original lemon scented one. So got that as well, and I think this was also £1. Now you can't beat Fairy original washing up liquid in the lemon. Absolutely love that. And you know the other one that I love? Eucalyptus and rosemary. Gorgeous. I can't find that one anywhere. You know, I was hoping that I can get it on Cherryz, but they had the lemon one. So yep, I'm more than satisfied with that. Okay. Also got a hand wash, Clearex hand wash. So I've got that as well. Also got some laundry liquid. So I've got the Ariel, small cute bottle of Ariel liquid. This gives you 24 washes. I can't remember how much this was. I want to say £4. But do check on the app for all the current prices, okay? So yep, so got that as well. So I can't do a Cherryz haul without getting one cleaning product from Astonish. I absolutely love Astonish products. So I got this one, which is in Hibiscus Blossom, and this is a daily shower shine, okay, and 750ml. I think this was £1 as well on Cherryz. This is the kind of things that you can get from Cherryz, you know, it's a big variety. Absolutely amazing, I love it. I also got some white vinegar spray, and then trusty Valcal in the fresh scent there. I also got this Lenore crease releaser, and you get the standard 500ml, and I think this was £2.50. I do absolutely love this scent in this one. This is the Gold Orchard one. It's just really, you know, Gold Orchard. So orchard, flowery, but not so flowery. It's more like a, oh, it's a lovely, lovely scent. Love that. It's like a soft scent, you know. Sorry for the noise in the background. There's a child outside screaming. I think stuck in the tree or something. God knows what's going on there. But anyways, yeah, so I've got this. And the reason why I've got this, I'm actually going to be taking this on holiday with me, because I don't want to be doing any ironing of my summer dresses and so on. So the whole idea is I'm going to be spraying my outfits with this, hanging them up in the wardrobe, and hopefully I won't have to do no ironing, you know. So yeah, so I've got that as well. Okay, so I also picked up a bottle of Sephora, okay, a bottle of Sephora, and this is in the scent Cyprus and Sea Sage. Now I don't think I've even seen this in the supermarkets. Cyprus and Sea Sage. Now I know Cyprus is like a lemony kind of scent, and Sea Sage just sounds absolutely gorgeous. So I thought, why not try it? Let's have a smell. I like that. I like that. Yes, I like that. This, oh my goodness. This smells absolutely gorgeous. Now, Sephora, you know, they've got so many different fragrances, so many different scents, but this one, Cyprus and Sea Salt, I absolutely love it. It could be one of my favorites actually. Yep. Love that. Okay, so next up, I don't think I've got any more cleaning products. I'm just going to show you some random items that I've got from Cherryz. So I've got this baking paper or parchment paper. Then next I got these 2 jugs. Okay, a pack of 2 jugs, and I think these were £1. Now I've got these for my candle making. Okay, my candle making. Yeah, I'm just picking up some little bits and bobs that I can actually use for candle making. That's not going to be too expensive, but effective. Okay, so 2 jugs in Cherryz. I think these were £1 or £1.50, something ridiculous like that, you know. So yeah, so I got those measuring jugs. I also picked up a simple deodorant roller. Okay, if you can see that. Okay, I think that was £1 as well. Got some tired dry eye drops. These are going to come in really handy. My eyes just feel really dry sometimes and tired, so just thought I'd give that a try. I also got this deodorant for hubby, which is the Dove Men and Care Clean Comfort deodorant, and he does actually like this scent, so I've got that as well. Just a few more items, guys. Got some Listerine Total Care mouthwash and some Radox Muscle Soak Bath Soak. Okay, and that is the 500ml one. Now I do absolutely love a nice soak in the bath with some Radox. So yep, so I've got that as well. And then the last item, oh no, there's actually one item, another item in there as well. I also got these Citronella candles for the garden in this lovely gift set box. Okay, so the last item, I can't remember what this is as well, it's all wrapped up. Last item is this Impost Be Surprised body spray. I haven't used Impost body spray in years, but I saw this on the app and I thought, oh, give that a try. It smells lovely, really nice. So I've got that to take away on holiday with me. Okay, so guys, that's my last item from Cherryz. So guys, thank you for watching this video to the end. There is a discount code for you guys to get a 25% discount. I'd like to say thank you to Cherryz for sponsoring this video. Use the code Amanda25. That will give you 25% discount on your first order using the Cherryz app, okay? So the app is very user-friendly. They've got so many other items and products on their app. It's worth having a look, guys. You'll be surprised of what you can find on there. Take your time and go through the categories and see what exciting things you can find on Cherryz. So thanks so much for watching. Take care, keep well, and I shall see you very soon on my next video. Bye!